Ancient America. Did you know in the history year of 1910? The 13th decennial census of the United States shows the population to be 92,228,496, including about 8,795,000 immigrants who have arrived since 1900. The center of population is in Bloomington, Indiana. Illiteracy has decreased to 7.7% of persons over the age of 10, compared to 10.7% in 1900. Only one new state, Oklahoma, was admitted during the preceding decade. In the second year of President Taft's term, the split deepens between the conservatives and progressives in the Republican Party. A rift also appears in the relations between the president and his predecessor, Theodore Roosevelt, who comments on his return from a foreign tour that Taft completely twisted around the policies I advocated and acted upon. In the congressional elections, progressive Republicans win significant victories in the West, and Republicans are defeated by Democrats in many eastern and Midwestern states. Theodore Roosevelt calls for government supervision of capitalization, not only of public service companies, including, particularly, railways, but also all corporations doing an interstate business. His concept of a square deal would include a graduated income tax, the conservation of natural resources, and the maintenance of military strength.